Okay, what I've done here is I've put a new, what they call an EGR valve for a VW Polo, because ladies and gentlemen, the main difficult was the fitting of basically components what weren't really strictly playing ball, and one was two 13mm nuts on there. There was a guy I've seen who was doing a job like this on the same car but on a 1.3. He made it out to be so easy. I got that from eBay. That cost me about £10, or about, I suppose, €15 in any other European country. So that was for a 2000 model, because I had problems. If I go around and I'll show you the old, that's the old one. What has seen, I say just clean it out, and I just replaced it. I think it was breaking down inside, so it was too far gone for repairs.